Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you as in how I clean my Indian dressing table. So without much ado, let's get started. It's an old saying that says cleanliness is next to godliness. It's a widespread proverb which means maintenance of cleanliness lead a person towards goodness and humanity. It is always necessary to keep your home, your mind, and your body clean. I clean my dressing table or armoire, if you will, once every 2 weeks, and I clean the mirror part with Colleen, and for the rest of the wood finishing I use a wet cloth. I'm going to go ahead and clean each of the shelves one by one by taking out all the items and by cleaning every nook and corner. I'm going to throw the empty bottles away. A microfiber cloth which will grab and hold onto dust particles. Once the shelves are clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put the things right back where they belong. Not only improves physical and mental health, but also helps me to concentrate better in my daily activities. This is the last shelf that I'm gonna go ahead and clean, and once I'm done I'm gonna clean the drawer as well. However, I'm gonna do it off camera because I don't want to bore you guys. So yeah, that's that. And voila, this is how my dressing table looks after all that cleaning. So with this, we have come to an end of this video, and if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to turn the bell notifications as well, so that every time I upload a video you get notified. So see you on my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.